It's time for Shop Talk. Is your company culture aligned with your mission statement? A mission statement is a declaration of a company's purpose, goals, and values. It sets the tone for how employees should act, make decisions, and interact with customers. But how do we ensure that our company culture is consistent with our mission statement, especially in the automotive service environment? Let's explore the importance of aligning company culture and mission statement and suggest steps to take to ensure consistency. A company culture that is aligned with its mission statement creates a consistent, positive experience for both employees and customers. This helps build trust, enhances the reputation of the company, and increases employee satisfaction and loyalty. In the automotive service industry, where customer service is critical to success, a culture that supports the mission statement can help set the company apart from competitors and drive customer loyalty. Let's go over steps that will help ensure consistency at your repair shop. Regularly review and update the mission statement. A mission statement should be a living document that is reviewed regularly to ensure that it remains relevant and accurate. Communicate the mission statement. Share the mission statement with employees, customers, and partners. Ensure it is prominently displayed in the workplace and that employees understand its significance. Hire and train employees based on the mission statement. The hiring process should be based on the mission statement and values, and employees should be trained to understand and embody these values. Encourage employees to live the mission statement. Foster a culture where employees are encouraged to live the values of the mission statement, celebrate successes, and provide feedback on how to improve. Lead by example. Managers and leaders should embody the values of the mission statement and model the behaviors expected of employees. In conclusion, a company culture that is consistent with its mission statement creates a positive, consistent experience for employees and customers. By regularly reviewing and communicating the mission statement, hiring and training employees based on it, encouraging employees to live it, and leading by example, companies in the automotive service industry can set themselves apart and drive customer loyalty.
Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.